trolley toward in front of me. Stunning, stunning, stunning. All right, everybody, I'm gonna get off, let my phone charge, so that going down the hill, I can take some footage of the Big Thompson. Bye, all. So I'm at Estes Park. Absolutely stunning. This is the beginning of like where you can really see the Big Thompson. So this is in one of the hotels at the parking lot. You can just come out here and chill. And then the Big Thompson goes down and around. It is stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. It is